Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your progress with Busuu step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Busuu app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and sign up for a new account or log in to your existing one. Select the language you wish to learn from the main menu. After choosing your language, take the initial placement test to assess your current knowledge level. Based on your results, Busuu will recommend the appropriate course level for you. Navigate to the My Progress section found in the app's main menu. In the My Progress section, view your completed lessons and track your learning milestones. Use the progress bar to see how much of the course you've completed. Set specific language goals within the app to stay motivated. Utilize the daily practice reminders to maintain a consistent study routine. Engage with interactive exercises to reinforce your learning and check your understanding. Explore the community features where you can practice with native speakers. Check your feedback reports after submitting exercises to identify areas for improvement. Regularly review vocabulary and grammar lessons to strengthen your foundation. Adjust your learning plan as needed based on your progress and interests. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, to keep your motivation high. Continue to practice consistently to ensure steady improvement over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.